And while many of us will be staying indoors for most of the weekend, some will still have to be out there. First responders will be taking care of emergencies. Chris Hoffman's live from Shaler with how they're preparing. Chris.
Christine, there's no snow days for first responders. Now, while EMS crews say ambulances have the four-wheel drive and are heavy enough to go in the snow, they're still out in those elements like everyone else and have the same dangers that the rest of us face. For fire, police, and EMS crews, they've been planning and ready to support each other. Shaler Hampton EMS will have extra people on this weekend. Common calls in this weather will include slips and falls and overexertion on cleaning that snow. But their response times will be a bit slower than normal.
We can't help if we don't get there, so we have to do it in a safe enough fashion to get there as fast as we can.
Same goes for police. The emergencies they're most likely to face are traffic calls, crashes, and stuck vehicles. Now, if that happens to you, call 911 and give them the best location you can.
With the GPS tracking on the calls, they might be able to find you even if you don't know exactly where you are, especially from a cell phone. Also, use your car as a shelter and keep the exhaust clear to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. In more populated areas, the hope is crews can get there more urgently.
We're in a pretty urban environment, helps to get to you pretty quickly.
Topography is going to be the biggest challenge in this weather. Just about every community has hills, turns, and roads that aren't the most fun when the weather's good.
That's a challenge. You just have to take it. Every roadway here is different. We have hills, we have curves. Our officers are all aware of the road conditions.
Certainly places we think of that are a challenge in the best of times, and they're more of a challenge in the worst times.
So if you do gotta be out this weekend for whatever reason, make sure the back of your car doesn't look this bare. This is, again, not what you want to do. You want to have blankets, food, water, chargers, and first aid kits, to say the least. Again, if you must be out there, first responders urging you to not be, once again, unless you urgently have to. Live in Shaler this evening, Chris Hoffman, KDKA-TV News.
All right, Chris, thank you.